Hi and welcome to another episode of Whiteboard Wednesday with me, Sam Ashdown.
And me, Phil Jones from Firewave. On today's Whiteboard Wednesday, we're going to be asking you the question of who and where is your next hire coming from?
Okay, so let's have a look at a sort of organisational chart. This is what we use here in Ashdown Jones, which is our agency based in the Lake District. Now, you'll see that we've got three departments here, MDG. Now, we've covered this on a previous Whiteboard Wednesday. Might get Tilly, can you just make sure that you link to that one in this post? So, maintenance, delivery and growth are your three departments. So, maintenance, everything that needs to be done, whether or not you've got clients. Delivery, everything that's done for the clients, and growth, the growth of your agency. Now, let's assume that you're here at the top, you're the CEO. You may take on any of the head of these three departments that you feel most comfortable with, probably growth. But where does your next hire come from? So at the moment you're doing everything, but where should your next hire come from? Where should the first one
when
be?
you first open, you start by doing all of these three, maintenance, delivery and growth. You're answering the phone,
Badly.
you're doing viewings and you're trying to generate leads.
Yeah.
As you get more and more staff on board, hopefully you move this way towards growth, so you stop answering the phone, you stop doing the viewings, and you just do the lead generation. And then the idea is then from growth to get you out of there and up to the top so you can oversee everything. So that's what you need to think about when you're thinking about what is your next hire. Where do you sit on this org chart, and how do you get yourself over to the right, into the growth, and then out of growth and up into a CEO position.
So what we find is when people are first starting their agency and they are doing everything, and I say to them, well, when you're out doing viewings, what about if a £1 million valuation comes in? Who's answering the phone to that? Who is booking that in the diary? Who's making sure that that lead doesn't go unnoticed? And so that's really your first hire. Really, your first hire needs to be here in maintenance. Now, we call them a team executive because they're kind of like a team PA, but they're also an executive so they can actually do the things that they need to do. They can make those decisions whether or not you're there in the office. So that's the first thing you need to do, really, get somebody actually answering the phone. And then the next thing you need to get out of is here. That took you a while to get out of there, didn't it? The delivery department, client executive position.
And this is the one that takes most of your time up. Doing the viewings, those 2-hour viewings that may get a great fee, but there's 2 hours of time potentially lost from creating new business. So the second hire we would go for is someone that totally looks after clients. So from the moment you get instructed all the way through to completion, they look after that deal, they look after that client, which you can oversee it all, but it helps you get out of that just to concentrate on creating new business and building your company.
That's right. So number one is you are here in growth. Your number two person, so the first hire, is a team executive. Number three is a client executive. And I would even argue number four is also probably a client executive, maybe a client executive assistant. That will keep you very, very firmly over there in marketing. And then maybe you take on an assistant for yourself, so a marketing executive assistant for yourself to be able to help you grow your agency. And that will take you up to 5 or 6 people, which should comfortably take you to £400,000 or £500,000 a year revenue. You should be able to do that on about 5 people. Would you agree?
Yeah, absolutely. And if you're not able to get yourself over to the right, the reason probably is that you're not creating enough leads, and that's causing the most challenges. So fortunately, we know people that can help you.
That's right.
So if you want to get some world-class sales letters and some authority content to help position you and to help bring those leads in so you don't have to do every single thing on your own, which is impossible, you can visit www.fire-wave.co.uk/start, fill in your regular details, and if your area is available, then someone will be in touch soon to let you know.
And we can't wait to help you build this, the agency of your dreams too. Bye for now.